welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you this unit. So with this unit, it's like dreads but curly towards the ends. Now you guys, I tried my best with this unit as possible. This does not look like the picture. On the picture it has bangs, like short bangs, but I was gonna cut it, but then it's so thick in the top, I just went in and put it up top, like a top part up here. As you can see, now it had baby hair. I tried to even got to be glued and hold these things down. I don't understand, but yeah, your girl tried the best. I love the color. I love this color so much, but this unit it's a no for me. I know some of you ladies love this kind of hair, but I will link this unit below. But this is what, like, it's up there, like, oh, you know, I could have put some in the front like this, like, but yeah, anyways, I'll link everything below. And you guys, also they sent me this bonnet. It's a lilac and purple. I'll link this below too. It is silk and it's nice. It has a string right here where you can adjust it to whatever tightness you want. And yeah, I like this bonnet. I will be wearing it at night or whenever I'm about to do a video. I always have a bonnet on. But anyways, this is it, you guys. If you're hearing things, my baby girl in the background. Bye. Hi, SimpleeBeauties. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm showing you this bonnet right here. It's on Amazon. The store name is One More Store. So basically they sell bonnets on there and more. This is a silk satiny bonnet cap. It's adjustable in the back, so you can loosen it how tight you want it or how loose you want it. So it's great for the big head girls. So this is me rocking it. It's very comfy, and I got it on right now. So yeah, it helps protect your hair when you sleep. And if you're chilling in the house with a bonnet on your head, you can do that too, okay? So yeah, I like the color. It's very nice. It's cute. And it's not hard on the edges either. So that's what I like about it. All right, so let's get into the wig. All right, my SimpleeBeauty. So with this unit, it's very unique. This is a 14-inch short dreadlock wig. And it's in a 1B and a 99J. So with this unit, I thought it had a bang in the front. I'm so sorry, you guys. It does not have a bang in the front. So you can you can part the hair in the center, kind of, sort of, but it doesn't have no lace. And it doesn't have any combs. But I love this color. This is a color great for the fall. And this is me disappointed. I'm like, yo, what I'm going to do with this unit? I wish, this is what I don't understand. Why is wig ain't got no lace? Wouldn't that be cool? It just got baby hair and is hooked onto like a track or something like that. But I tried my very best to try to finesse this unit the best I could, you guys. So yeah, I know some of my SimpleeBeauties like hair like this. I do like this texture, but I wish it had like ear to ear lace, you know, so you can do like some finessing, if that makes any sense. Yeah, but I do. It's very unique. I like how they got the curls on the end of the units, like curl. And I tried to lay the baby hair in the front. So basically I did a half up, half down style. I'm hilarious on this unit. I'm like, let this make sense, okay? But yeah, if you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. And yes, so your girl tried on this unit. I tried, okay? So this is what I did. I just did a half up, half down. Try to lay it. Even the baby hair did not want to lay. Like, they still want to curl up with the got to be glue, honey. I'm like, what? Got to be glue used to hold down anything. So yeah, but if you are interested in this unit, I will link it below. This unit is $27.89. Plus you get an extra $5 off coupon. It's showing here on Amazon. So yeah. So if you like this unit, I'll link it below. I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Bye. Have a blessed one.